Tan Songyun, also known as Seven, is a Chinese actress, singer and model. In 2024, she starred in Brocade Odyssey. The same year, she also played as Beautiful as You. In 2023, she starred in Road Home. On October 17, 2019, she was selected into the 2019 Forbes China 30 Under 30 Elite list, recognizing her as an influential figure in the entertainment industry. In 2001, she entered the Sichuan Provincial Dance School to study classical and folk dance. In 2007, she was admitted to the acting department of Beijing Film Academy. She gained wider recognition in 2012 after appearing in the hit historical drama Empresses in the Palace. She has never officially confirmed any romantic relationship. Long-running rumors about a high school classmate remain unconfirmed. She is a huge dog lover, enjoys hot pot, matcha desserts, badminton and mobile gaming. In 2021, she terminated her Nike endorsement in support of the Shenzhen cotton stance, earning widespread praise in China. Tan Songyun remains one of the most beloved and bankable actresses of her generation in China, known for her natural acting, relatable girl next door image and ability to excel in both modern and period roles. She gained more attention in 2012 after starring in the hit historical drama Empresses in the Palace 3. She then starred in youth dramas The Whirlwind Girl and With You. Both dramas gave her more recognition and popularity. She won the Most Promising Actress award at the IKEA All-Star Carnival for her role in With You and the Best New Actress award at the Wedding Awards for My Whirlwind Girl. In 2017, she starred in hit romantic comedy drama The Fox's Summer, which won her the Best Actress award for the network section of the Asia New Media Film Award as well as the Golden Bone Flower Awards. The same year, she starred in the youth sports romance drama My Mr. Mermaid. In 2019, Tan starred in the historical mystery drama Under the Power. Forbes China listed Tan under their 30 Under 30 Asia 2019 list, which consisted of 30 influential people under 30 years old who have had a substantial effect in their fields. In 2020, Tan starred in the period action drama The Eight, produced by Chan Cage, slice of life family drama Go Ahead, and period drama Dear Mayang Street. In 2021, she starred in the historical romance drama The Sword and the Brocade.